Yo, what's up, Hard Appalachian crew? This is TL, and I'm just gonna go ahead and welcome you to the channel. First challenge we've ever done, first video, so I figured I'd make it a doozy. I have been a fan of a little YouTuber named Brandon Clark for a while, watching this dude eat some of the craziest things possible, and I don't know how he does it, but yet he still does. And so I figured, first video, let's just step it up a notch. We'll just go ahead and do something crazy for the first one. So I've got good old brewski here. Let me go ahead and take one last drink, because my lord, I have a doozy for you. Hannen Ghost Pepper. So what I'm attempting to do is I'm gonna go ahead and eat this entire bag as fast as I can, and then I'm gonna see how long I can sit here and endure the pain without taking a drink of another good old cold brewski or milk, or even take a bite of crackers. Got them sitting right here. They're next to me. 1 second, let me get my stopwatch. Yeah, of course, this is 2019. We use phones, so I don't have a real stopwatch. But, so, Pocky, Haunted Ghost Pepper, chip. Let's see how it goes. It doesn't smell that hot. I mean, they look pretty good. Kind of like your average day Dorito. Kind of smell like your average day Dorito. So, I think it's about time. We get one last drink here. There's 30 seconds. I'm gonna wait. We got about 20. So, here we go. Let's see if I can find it. If I can't find it on my phone in time, then we'll just have to wait. Here we go. I'll say this right away. They're really damn tasty. As of right now, they're a bit like Texas Pete. Not super hot. I feel my lips tingling. Got it. Get out of the way here. I don't want to eat you. Not even that hot. Not gonna lie, no competitive eating experience, but without water, this is hard to chew. In time, 329.53. So, 3.5 minutes for an entire bag. Poggy, ghost pepper. I mean, I can definitely start to feel it, but I mean, not too bad. Nope, got some crumbs here. Go ahead and top them off. I mean, really, it's not that bad. It's actually a chip I could eat all the time. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Probably shouldn't have done that. Definitely probably shouldn't have licked my fingers. Oh my god. Okay. So, I'm going on about a minute now without having anything to drink after finishing the entire bag of Pocky Haunted Ghost Pepper Chips. Let's see how we do. I mean, it's when you try to swallow. That's when it starts to become hard. It gets real bad. Let's go ahead and read this bag. Warning, it's friggin' hot. It says right there. Hey, we are Pocky. We do bold in the natural way, using the real ingredients to create fierce flavors with nothing artificial, ever. After all, in the burps. After all, our light and crispy recipe is a tribute to the Aztec. Woo! Here we go. That inspired us, and they weren't exactly known for compromising, of course. How we put the haunt in haunted ghost peppers. An insane amount of ghost pepper. Even more ghost pepper, the heat is real. Okay, so the ingredients. Basically, it's corn chips fried with ghost pepper, cayenne powder, chipotle powder, sugar for some reason, onion powder, and plain old chili powder. I mean, these chips are freaking good. If you like anything close to hot, if you always have to get the hottest spicy wings, I'm telling you right here, this is the chip for you. It's so good. It's tasty. I mean, even if you want to prank your friends at a Super Bowl party, shit, throw some of them and mix between Doritos. They won't know anything until they light them up. But I will say, if your friend is not keen to spice, don't no. It'll be bad. If I slip these in when my wife wasn't looking, oh my god, she'd kill me. So, just saying, be careful. But these chips are good. They're very good. I'm going on about now almost 4 minutes. It's 3:55, so we'll call it 4. And really, I'm not really feeling anything, but I'm a hot person. Last night I trained for this, but I had spicy garlic and Caribbean jerk wings from B-Dubs. Plug. Love that place. It's one of my favorite places to eat, mainly because they actually have hot wings. I hate going to places where you see on the menu you got medium, hot, and super hot. So you go and get the super hot. It's kind of like a normal everyday wing buffalo sauce. Nah, with Buffalo Wild Wings. You get them blazing wings, woo! Set you on fire. But are they anything like this? Nah. This is kind of like a third of that. I mean, it's really good. It tastes really good. If I was a competitive eater, I'd eat hot stuff, and hot sauces and stuff like that all day long, and it would not bother me. If I could ever get on hot ones, I can almost guarantee you, wouldn't bother me, wouldn't faze me. Because, I mean, from what I understand, the ghost pepper is supposed to have at least 500K plus Scoville units. And I just ate a chip coated in the powder, plus, all the other peppers. And I'm going on 5:45 without a drink. I mean, yeah, my nose is drowning. I feel a little hot. I feel like nobody's turned the AC on. I feel like, that stuff's going through the roof. But as a spicy person, like this, nah, this ain't bad. Hate to say it, but I'm gonna go ahead and look fake dry. Get every single little crumb I can. So that bag, nobody can say I'm a bitch. I did it all the way. Did everything. So, rolling on about 10 minutes ever since I started eating. Finished eating an entire bag, entire individual. See, I can't even talk. My throat's starting to kind of feel the burn, but an entire individual size in 3 minutes, just under 30 seconds. Like, I mean, super close. 3:29:53. Rolling on 7 minutes now. Haven't even taken a drink. I don't really feel like I need one. Kind of like eating spicy nacho Doritos. But then again, I've been eating it pretty much hot shit all my life. It doesn't really bother me. But I do have to say, here at Hard Eye Appalachia, plan on bringing you all kinds of content. Just anything you all want to see. If you want more stuff like this, hell, I'll eat a whole entire Carolina Reaper. I mean, if you all want to see some really cool shit, if you want to see me do news analysis, sports analysis, wrestling analysis, I mean, yeah, I still watch wrestling. I mean, yeah, Attitude Era, baby. Been watching since I was a kid, always gonna watch. Anyway, I mean, you just kind of want to jump on a podcast. I mean, I don't care who you are. You would. Ooh. Ooh. Whew. That's that ghost pepper. It's stuck in my throat. But if you want to jump on a podcast with me, dude, I'll be more than happy to. We can just go ahead and sit around, chat, talk about what you want to talk about. I mean, whether it be conspiracies, food, video games, anime, wrestling, sports. I'm your dude. I mean, you can be an everyday Joe. You can be Joe Rogan. I'll sit around and talk to you. It doesn't matter. I love having people's company. I'm hoping that you all enjoy watching me enjoy people's company. I feel like my lips are swelling a little bit, but hey, it's part of it. I just, as the first video, kind of wanted to have some fun. I wanted to give a huge shout out to Brandon, Doug Garbage Disposal Clark. He is one of my favorite YouTubers. I love sitting around and watch him do what he does. Again, I've already said it. I'm going to say it again. Subscribe to him if you haven't. If you want to see other people like me do some crazy crap, I'm telling you, watch that dude eat 72 crystal sliders in a single sitting. Like, that's how cool this dude is. Like, I've never seen someone like him just be able to, like, do what he does and enjoy it. And then when you comment on these videos, he'll reply. He's not afraid to it. He instantly will reply to you. He'll give you guidance. He'll talk to you. And he pinned a comment up for me a little bit earlier today and told me to go ahead and go for it, bro. So I went in and did it. I'm rolling on 10 minutes now without a drink. And I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I don't need a drink. Milk, nah. It's not hot, to me, but everybody's different. I mean, for a chip, this is probably the hottest chip I've ever been able to buy at a grocery store, convenience store. You know, I bought it at Best Buy because, you know, hey, having to work there. So that's where I snagged it. And everybody was like, oh my God, dude, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna eat those? Man, you're crazy. Nah. They're really not that bad. I actually enjoy them. I'll probably pick up a couple more bags. And if you all like to see a 2-bag, 3-bag, 4-bag, 5-bag challenge where I just sit here and devour them all and then see how long I can go, that's fine. If you want to see me eat a Carolina Reaper, if you want to see, you know, some more cool content in the future, just let me know. I've been thinking about doing the home wrecker, which here where I'm from is a 1 pound, I think it's a 1 pound hot dog, and it's got all the fixings. Like it's like this big, like it's a monster. It's like 18, 19 inches long. And I've seen skinny people, I've seen kids, I've seen everybody eat it. But there's this one dude that ate it in under 2 minutes, or not under 2 minutes, just under 3 minutes. I might train myself up. If I get the support that I need, I might go ahead and take on that challenge. And if at all possible, I'd love to get Brandon Clark on it with me. Me and him go ahead and take on the home wrecker at Hillbilly Hot Dogs. Take that shit out. We'll kill it. But, I mean, after 12 minutes and 15 seconds, this ain't shit. I could probably chug a bottle of hot sauce and still be fine. So I'm going to go ahead, toast to all my viewers out there. Can't wait to see you at the next video.